to Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm excited to share with you this beautiful, really long wig for MIMO Wigs, and this is a Jon Renau wig. This is part of their new fall collection. This is called Ariana. Ariana, I guess you can pronounce it however you'd like, but nonetheless it is beautiful, it is long, it is sleek, it's gorgeous. I really love it. This wig is just freshly launched this fall 2019, and this is part of Jon Renau's SmartLace collection. And this beautiful color that you see right here is one of my favorites. This was actually the first color that I ever experienced from Jon Renau in a topper, and it is still a favorite of mine. This is called Toffee Truffle, and it is part of their chocolate collection. The code for that is FS6 3027. We will talk about Toffee Truffle. It's absolutely beautiful with these gorgeous highlights. And we'll talk about Ariana as well. I'm kind of speechless because long hair is something that I've always gravitated to because I never could experience it on my own. So here we are with that long, sleek, beautiful hair, and I'm so excited to share this hair with you, not only because it's Jon Renau and Jon Renau has a special place in my heart, but also because I'm sharing for Michelle over there at MIMO Wigs, and she is my wee friend from Scotland. MIMO Wigs is an exceptionally wonderful store with a huge selection and variety of brands and styles of wigs, toppers, hair additions, headwear, just a whole slew of options that you can choose from. She has worldwide shipping, and I do have some coupon codes for you guys as well. She's just an awesome person and a wonderful businesswoman. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below or reach out to Michelle at MIMO Wigs to order or ask any questions. Okay, so I guess before we move on to Ariana, we can talk about Toffee Truffle. Toffee Truffle, I thought I would never steer away from Toffee Truffle. I got my Top Secret. Well, it was formerly known as Top Secret. Now it is Top Style Synthetic, and they also have it in human hair. So Top Secret is no more, but I did have that in this color, and it converted me. It got me stuck on Jon Renau. It was life-changing. I felt so beautiful when I received my Toffee Truffle topper in the mail, and having the highlights, having the lowlights, having it blend with my hair, I just loved having that salon, fresh, highlighted color. And I love now that I'm trying it out in various different wigs, including this beautiful Ariana. Having this sleek long wig definitely shows off these highlights really well. So with Toffee Truffle, you have your FS6 3027, which is your base brown, like your medium to, I don't know if it would be really dark, but yeah, medium brown. Very prominent highlights. They are described as medium red gold blonde blend with medium gold blonde bold highlights. So these are described as bold. And look at all those tones and the dimension of color in Toffee Truffle. It is just so beautiful. Now, if you do receive Toffee Truffle in human hair, keep in mind human hair is always warmer. So, you know, you do see that there is warmth in this synthetic fiber. But if you do try something in human hair, it is to be expected that human hair does pull a lot more warmth. Now with Ariana, this style is really long. This is Jon Renau's longest synthetic style. This reaches like mid back. I mean, depending on how tall and long you are, this length reaches like the middle of your back. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera. It's so long. Can you? Can you? Raise your hand. Give me a thumbs up. Can you see it? I guess when I go to edit this, I'll be able to tell you if you can see it. That does raise some questions. Okay, this is synthetic. This is long. Is it going to tangle? Well, sometimes it does. This kind of comb, it will be your friend. Keep it with you, comb it out. So far, so good. I went and laid by my son. I put him to sleep in his bed, and I haven't experienced a whole lot of tangling or matting, but I have noticed that this wig has a lighter density. Not so light that it feels sparse or stringy. It's a good amount, but it's not overly thick. It's just nice and sleek and light and smooth. I really, really like it. I think that it will be manageable and easy to comb through and keep nice and smooth throughout your daily wear. So if you keep a wide tooth comb on you in your purse, in your car, take it to work with you, and throughout the day when you are experiencing friction frizz against the seat, at your desk, driving in your car, just go and give it a little detangle. Use some Jon Renau detangling spray, and that will help all lengths of wigs, no matter the style, curly, straight, anything, to maintain its beautiful style and eliminate frizz and tangling. Now this is an average size cap, and this feels very secure and comfortable. The ear tabs, they sit right where they need to sit. I have noticed with some wigs that claim they are average, sometimes they sit a little bit higher up, and it might not cover like the sideburns on my hair. And Jon Renau wigs, their average size wigs, they basically fit my head like a glove. They are perfect fit. This wig is 6.6 ounces, and it feels nice and light. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel overly heavy. Doesn't feel like I'm being weighted down. I don't feel hot. Well, I take that back. I have the heat on and I need to go turn it down. It's been cold here, and where I'm filming, the heat is blowing on me. I have this sweater, so I'm feeling hot because of the heat. But the wig itself, I don't think that's what's causing it. So the light density of this wig, A+. This is synthetic fiber, so you do want to be mindful of heat. This is not heat friendly, so you know, don't use your heat tools on this. It's nice because this beautiful sleek style, any swing that you see on the ends that you see right here, that is baked into the wig, so when you wash your wig, it will dry this way and you're ready to go. Wash, hang, dry, and this gorgeous style, it's set into your wig. One thing I noticed about this wig is that it has a really nice SmartLace front, and then it also has a monofilament top. So you can part this hair every which way. You want a middle part? Go for it. You want a left side part? Why not? You want a right side part? Sure. You can do what you want and wear it how you want when you have a lace front and a monofilament top. You can do creative styling, you can do fun braids. If you feel like you need to tack down that lace so that it is a little bit more secure, you can use some adhesive, some Walker blue lace tape, that will tack it down nice and tight and keep it very secure. I think that this wig would be really, really cute pulled part up with a clip. It's light enough that pulling it up into a ponytail is doable because of the density. It doesn't feel overly bulky or heavy, and I really like that about this wig. I've been playing with it through the afternoon, and I'm really impressed with the density. Sometimes when you get these very long, luscious, sleek wigs, you also get thickness. And thickness looks awesome, but you really can't do much more with a wig like that other than wearing it down. Now, if you have a great, nice, light density like this, then pulling it up, adding a braid, adding a ponytail, it's doable because it's not going to weigh down. It's not going to sag. And it's doable. It's doable with this wig. This wig is very on trend with the length, with the sleek straight style, the slight curve on the ends. I love it. The bang on Ariana is 14.75 inches. The crown is 19 inches. Your sides on Ariana are 19.5 inches long. And your nape is 20.25 inches. So she is long. She's long. Okay, can you see that? I'm like gonna bust out of this room and like tear down the backdrop just so you can see the length of this wig. She's long. Do you understand? Do you hear the words that are coming out of my Do you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? Ariana is long. Okay, so let's take this wig off and show you guys the inside of the cap construction. All right, so you guys, I'm just repeating myself, but this is Jon Renau ARIANA SmartLace collection. The color code is FS6 3027 from MIMO WIGS, and this is called Toffee Truffle. With the SmartLace, you have this really somewhat deep welded SmartLace front. It's durable. It is very well made, and this allows you to pull the hair up and away from your face. You can have off the face styling, multi-directional parting. You can part that front hairline everywhere you want. You also have a monofilament top that has been individually hand-tied just like your lace front. And then the remaining part of this cap construction is open wefted. With an open wefted cap, it makes it more breathable, better air circulation, ventilation, and they're really comfortable. You have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire and your velvet nape with adjustable straps. Okay, let's put this long beauty back on. What do you guys think about Ariana by Jon Renau? And what's your opinion of Toffee Truffle? I know Toffee Truffle from the chocolate collection is a popular shade. I can see why. It's a favorite of mine. I really love it. If you guys are interested in this wig, any other Jon Renau hairpiece or wig, and many other styles, brands, options, check out MIMO WIGS. Contact Michelle at MIMO WIGS. I will have all the links down below to this beautiful wig, to MIMO WIGS, to her social media platforms, so you can check out her website, her YouTube, her Facebook, her Instagram. She has such helpful educational content, and she's very inspirational and willing to help anyone looking for advice and help and looking to find the perfect piece for you and your needs. You guys can get 15% off site-wide. There are a few exclusions. Some brands don't allow it, but you can get 15% off using the code Amber's Amigos. Also, MIMO ships worldwide. And one last thing she wanted me to let you guys know, you're all beautiful. Couldn't forget that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.